On Saturday, February 15th, 2020, SBS will be opening our doors to prospective parents as well as existing parents for our annual student showcase. During the event, our IB primary year students will showcase their current unit of inquiry to all parents, allowing the parents to take a student-led journey through our IB primary year's curriculum. Our secondary students will share the experiences they have gained while studying the Cambridge curriculum, showcasing their knowledge in languages, sciences, mathematics and more. SBS will also unveil our new and innovative tracks, including a fast track into universities abroad. If you would like to know more, please come and visit us on Saturday, 15th of February. We look forward to seeing you all.